Dude, here she comes.
Hey, why can't someone just kill her already?
You can't kill someone who already is dead. You know that. Shh, here she comes. Hello, Miss Barbara Streisand. Oh, hi, boys. Working harder, hardly working. I'm just kidding with you. I'm sorry if I offended you. I offend a lot of people. I'm just kidding. Oh, I love you. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'm sorry you had to see my face this morning. I hate her. Did you see the game last night?
Oh yeah, good game, good game. Wow, look over there. Check out the rack on that cat. Wow. I wouldn't mind seeing her if you know what I mean.
Oh crap, not these guys again. Oh, sorry guys, I can't talk to you because I gotta jump off this cliff. Bye. She digs us.
She loves us, yeah.
She digs us.
She does.
She would love
yeah,
to cook
she would
our
love.
oven.
She
Yeah,
loves me more. Yeah,
Yeah, she digs us.
I know. Yeah, loves us. I bet douche liver queer. You wouldn't mind if I just kicked you in the balls, would you? Huh? Take that. Yeah. Yeah, take that, douches. Yeah. So long. Yeah, suck on that. Suck on that. Suck on that. You want to suck on that? Suck on that. Bye. Shut up, you douche. What's wrong with him?
Oh, yeah.
What is wrong with him?
He's retarded, actually.
Oh. Yeah. Of course. Then that's okay then. It's okay that he called us that, right?
Yeah, it's completely okay. It's good.
Yeah. It's all good.
Yeah, it's perfectly fine, yeah.
Attention corporate staff. If you see my son here, please bring him to me. He is out of control and I apologize for he might have kicked you in the testicles or called you bat douche and woover queer, I believe.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Fine.
It's fine.
It's
retarded. So, could you please bring him to me? Thank you.
No, it's completely okay. Yeah,
actually, no, he's not retarded.
Really?
Although it might seem that way.
But if he is, I mean,
it's good. I mean, changes, yeah.
Oh my God, I'm on TV. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, brother. Hi, sister. Hi, stepfather. Hi, second stepfather. Hi, 72 virgins. Goodbye. Hi. Please, I'm on TV.